looked over at the preview center at Boardwalk, and we're looking at a 2-bedroom. This one looks like this is the master. Nice sleeper bed that pulls out here. A nice table. Big screen TV. Bed. You get a nice little nightstand with your USB. And a couch. And then you have a balcony right off your bedroom. So this is, when it's locked off, this is a studio. You can see here, this is a huge kitchenette with refrigerator, sink, giant sink, way bigger than the one we have now. Mr. Coffee, you get your standard microwave, toaster, things like that. And then that's the door to come in. You also have beautiful little sink area, mirror, get all your toiletries. Closet, standard blanket and pillow, hangers. Here's your restroom and shower with your H2O products. This is your other bedroom. Beautiful dresser. Really nice sitting chair. Again, you have the balconies here. Nightstand. Huge bed. Look at that headboard with the art. It's so cool. And this is looks like a king bed. Your phone. You also have this divider here. It's pretty standard in 1-bedrooms. Some of the older resorts have this where you can sit in the spa tub and watch TV. And you have your sink, mirror, toiletries, makeup mirror, and then there's actually a walk-in closet here. Imagine that. Safe, ironing board. Then there's also another bathroom here with shower, sink, pedestal sink, mirror, toilet, and beautiful glass. There's also a nice little sitting bench here. I don't know if this lifts up. No, it doesn't lift up, but there's drawers. The kitchen has your standard microwave, refrigerator, oven, coffee maker, and then you get all your plates and dishware, cups, and things like that. No closet here. And then this is your entryway here, coming in. You have a nice coat rack to put your things. If you have a raincoat, you dry it out. Beautiful little eat-in kitchen.